So ayan mga kalindog, we're going to unbox my Selfie K06. Ito yung binili ko sa city. Well, yung una kong binili, the first one that I bought is it's like 23.90 like that something. But I thought this is really good, or it's really better for my iPhone. But it's not. It's always, what do you call it, slippery, my iPhone on the handle. So that's why I changed it. So guys, I bought this one, or I changed this one, the KAG. What is it? K06. Is selfie stick integrated tripod. Kasi this is more cheaper and more better. Ayan mga kalindog. I will show you this picture. So it's gonna be like that, this guys. So when the first time I saw it, I thought this is something a hole, but no, this is the what do you call it? It's a silver, mga kalindog. So let's try natin. Let us try this selfie stick, okay? Oh, let us unbox it. Ayan mga kalindog, I show you. Ayan, di ba? They are beautiful. Ayan mga kalindog, ayan siya. At ito yung maplet, ayan. So I show you guys the maplet. Ayan, there's a lot of difference of stick tripod na ito. They have a KO5, KO6, KO7, KO9, and 10 and 11. But mine is KO6. Ayan, ito siya guys. This is in the middle, okay? So there's a lot of types of that. So ayan mga kalindog, I show you first, wait. I show you also how to put the battery. This is also the Bluetooth guys. Ayan mga kalindog, Bluetooth. The first one I bought that I bring it back, there's no also Bluetooth, no what do you call that, Perbidino, no ano ba yan, telecommando. No, what do you call that, like this, telecommando. What's the telecommando? Ito naman ako. Nakalimutan ko na yung English. Wala, remote control. Ayan, wala siyang remote control. So that's why I changed also. It's not better, the one. It's expensive, and it's, what do you call that, it's not better. Nothing all. So, hindi ka ganito. So, ayan guys, I will show you. Ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog, ayan siya, ganyan siya. What you see, ayan, di ba? So, nung nakita natin siya, para siyang may butas. But this is not a hole. This is like, what do you call that? What do you call it? It's a silver. It's like a mirror. So, guys, when you make a selfie like this, huh? For example, you using, ayan, ganyan siya, guys. You see? When you using here, for example, I show you, yeah, you see? So we have the mirror here. We can see it's really good or what. You see? Ganyan siya guys. Ayan, nandyan yung mirror, di ba? This is a mirror. Ayan. So ayan, ganyan siya guys. Ganyan lang pagbukas sa kanya. At ang maganda pa sa kanya, it's a good thing for this selfie stick is, you see, they have a Bluetooth Perbidino. Ito naman ako. The Bluetooth remote control. Oh my God. Sorry guys. Nakakalimutan ko eh. Okay, remote control. Ayan. So, at maganda pa sa kanya. Ayan guys. I will show you. Ganyan siya. Oh. Ayan. Pwede siyang, ayan. Pwede siyang horizontal, at you can, ayan, rotate. It's rotation. You say, niro-rotate siya. So, pwede ngayon siyang, vertical. So, ayan eh. At, of course, hindi siya sobrang mahaba. I think he's only, what do you call that? It's only, how many meters this? I don't know. Hindi, walang nakasulat eh. I think is, ayan, mount holder and reach. Length, ayan. And dito siya, 7.64 inches. Yeah, yeah. Tama nga ba? Dito ako. So I think it's right. So it's 27, no? I mean, ayan, extended length. Ayan, extended length 27.6 inches. Ayan. So kaya ayan guys, let us see. Ayan, nahaba siya. Di ba? Ayan, ganyan lang siya kahaba. Ayan. And then of course, ayan, pwede siyang ilapag sa, for example, ayan, gusto mong stay. Ayan, di ba? The same the other ng mga selfie stick. At ayan, i-try natin siya. Ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog, as I told you, kasi yung mga phone ko, meron siyang case na plastic. Ayan, ito, Samsung ito. Actually, I use my phone, yung yung kumukuha na yan, it's iPhone 13. So, ito, iPhone 3. So, yan na nadudulas. Ayan guys, at sinasabi ko sa inyo, just what I told you. So, we can make like this, o yan, di ba? So, we can make a TikTok like this, or TikTok, or, what do you call this? This is the vertical, or di ba? Pag selfie. At if you want naman ng horizontal, guys, ayan, pwede rin siya. So, ayan, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, rotation siya, naro-rotate, ayan, ganyan. So, pang YouTube naman, this is for YouTube, guys, ayan, o di ba? At pwede siyang i-bend. You can bend it like that. So, now, yeah, there we go. And then, you can press the, what do you call it? The perbidio. The telecomando or the remote control. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ganyan lang siya. O, diba? Maganda siya. It's beautiful. O, diba? Ayan siya guys. Makikita ninyo mga kalindog. Ito salamin to kapag magsa-selfie kayo. So, for example, ayan. Ganyan. Diba? Beautiful siya. It's nice. Ayan. It's only 20 euro. This is 20 euro, but it's mahal pa rin. Okay na siya kaysa naman yung isa. It's better the other one, because the other one, it's almost, how much is it? Yeah, 24, and it's not good. Ayan guys, ganyan siya. They're gonna close like this. You see? But you need to be careful para hindi siya, they're not gonna be break quick. Ayan, kasi guys, I show you, this is my old selfie stick. This is, I really wanted, I really love this, you know. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi maganda siya guys, ayan o. Makita niyo yung quality niya maganda. Kaya lang, the things is, when I make a live in TikTok, ayan, I almost felt down here, I push it, so that's why they break it. You see, ito yung sira sa kanya. Pero guys, ang ganda-ganda nito, promise, I like it. Yung quality niya talaga, it's very good. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Ayan, di ba? Gusto ko siya. Maganda siya yung quality niya eh. Very, makikita niya naman eh. Ewan ko lang, I don't know how can I fix this. But I try to figure it out when can I fix that, okay? So, ito yung old ko. And I have also, yes, this another one. I have the standard. And I have also another one. So, ayan. I'll show you guys. Ayan. This is also the one, guys. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ito, fix lang siya ng ganyan. They're only like that. Okay. You can make only horizontal, this one. So, I have 4 now. Kasi, pag talagang nagla-live ako, gusto ko at saka nag-editing. So, I need more selfie stick. So, ayan eh. Plus, my ring light. Ayan mga kalindog. So, thank you mga kalindog. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing for my new selfie K06 selfie stick. Ayan. Thank you mga kalindog. Thanks sa inyo. Thank you all for always watching and for always support my channel, Roja Briner. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. And hi to all, sorry guys. And hi to all my member. Ayan guys, thank you. So I'm happy now. I have my new selfie. I hope they're gonna be a long, they're gonna stay with me a long time, no? Yung hindi siya agad masira. So, ayan mga kalindog. I just only want you to share my new selfie stick. So, bye! Thank you for watching. Thank you mga kalindog. Bye!